Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you how we could use the PermaLearn tool to help us draw a full body diagram. So I took a sample of a problem F71. So we should they asked us to determine the normal force, the shear force, and the moment at point C right here. So first, before drawing, we should pick our beginning coordinate. So x our x coordinate should be 0 and our y coordinate should be 0, and the distance from the horizontal uh, coordinates is we should put uh, 3 meters, since it is 3 meters from point A to point C. So 3 so next is we should continue from point C to B, so also 3 meters. However, this time our beginning coordinate x coordinate should be 3 and our distance is 3 2. So our total distance of the beam should be 6. Next we should take a look at the support, uh, the types of supports. So there's fixed, pin, and roller. However, in our beam right here, point A is a pin support, so our point A is 0 0. Here should be pin. Next is our point B, which is 6 0. So here a roller. So next is our load, applied load. Here point load. So firstly is point A and point C. In between here there's 10 kilonewtons of force downwards. So here this is the distance from the beginning joint. So our beginning joint is 0 0. So it should be 1.5 from the beginning joint. And vertical force, so the vertical force should be 10 kilonewtons. However, if you put 10 kilonewtons right here, the force would be upwards. So our force should be negative 10 kilonewtons instead, for it to be downwards. And next is our second load. We do the same thing as our first load. From C to B is 115 from the beginning, so beginning from point in the middle here. And the vertical force same, negative 15. However, this time as is applied more, so you can see here our load is 15 kilonewtons and 10 kilonewtons right here. So basically that is our full body diagram. So next and lastly, our solution. So we could see the different types of forces and other options that we could see. However, we only need the normal force right here, the shear force, and the bending moment. First, normal force. Here you can see 0 kilonewtons of normal force. Next, the shear force. So they ask for the shear force in point C, which is in the middle. So it should be here 1.25. However, you can see in point A 11.25, and point C, and no, point B, I'm sorry, point B, negative 13.75. And lastly is our bending moments. So here, point C, the bending moment would be 18.75 kilonewton meters. We could also check for uh, the load, the bending moment on the load, 20.62 and 5. Same here, 875. So thank you for watching this short video, and next time